Hello everyone. It's the day before Vlogmas starts, and I thought I would come on and I would share with you the I've got 3 yarn advents, and this one is an advent off Rick, and I've got 3 other projects that I'm going to be doing. This December I said I'd get all my whips done and I'd finish them all except for a pair of socks, but I can hopefully get them done. And but December I'm going to be really selfish. It's going to be all about me. It's going to be all about what I want to make this month, and I'm doing Vlogmas with Black Sheep Wools. That starts on the 24th of December. June and I are going to be doing Stephen West Hyber Knit Along, where we've got the yarn for December 26th that starts, and then I've got a No Mystery Knit Along that starts on the 1st of December. So I've got a busy month this month, December, so I'm really excited. So let's get to it, shall we? So in the January sales here in the UK in January, I spotted this and I said to Rick, if we bought it, would he fill it for me for Advent for this year? He has done. He said he's going to put jelly beans in here in every day, so we'll see what he has put in. But anyway, this is what I've got. I'm absolutely delighted with it, so I'll give that back to him because he's filled it, and I don't want to spoil the surprise. The next advent that I purchased was from Kitey, the Yarn Whisperer on Instagram. He has got his website, which will be in the link, and I think it's all about films, guys. It's all about the films. Yarn Whisperer's Advent, direction at the Yarn Whisperer, camera Linda Simpson, date, scene, take, and it's Xmas 23. So that's a wrap. So, and I've got a bag of popcorn, which is for Christmas Day. So this advent's going on for till Christmas Day, guys. There we are. So what I'm doing with this, I've just designed this square. This is my square leaf motif. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making an L-shaped wrap with the advent, and I'm going to be using a 3mm clover hook. So that is advent number 1. 2, that's 1. This is 2. Advent number 3 is from Botanical Yarns. I've opened the box to make sure everything's in there, and there is. I'm not opening it. Well, hold on. It's a box like this, with all the doors, and this is a 24. Yeah, this is a 24 box, and then I will get. It says, we hope you love your Botanical Yarn Advent Calendar. Included in your Advent is a knitted shawl pattern and a crocheted shawl pattern, which will be emailed to you. So I'm really looking forward to that. So we'll see when that comes. I haven't had the email yet, but I'm hoping it'll come either today or on the 1st of December. So this is my Botanical Yarn gift. I've got other gifts as well, but I don't want to open them and show you them until Vlogmas starts. And advent number 3 is from Alex and Danny, from My Crafty Corner. And I got this lovely box. It came in this lovely box, and again this is 25 days, and I think this is to do with safari animals, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm really excited, and everything's all individually packed. So I'm really looking forward to making a start on this. Now, the pattern that I've picked for this is, it's a Stephen West blanket, but I'm not going to be making it in a blanket. I am going to be making it into a wrap. And I watched the video, the tutorial, and Stephen said that it's the pattern 24 stitches. So if I wanted to make it shorter or longer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into the size of the width of a wrap, and it's called the Melting Marl blanket. But I thought, let's do something different, make it into a wrap. And yeah, so that is my plans for this one, which is Alex's and Danny's Advent. I'm looking forward to seeing that as well. All the companies that I've mentioned will be in the description box below. Then we come on to the 1st of December. And I am taking part in the Snow Matter What by Sarah She, I believe it's how you say her name, and the link is in the description box below. Shkira, Sarah Shkira, and so key dates are the 1st to the 24th with a daily, and it's a gnome, guys. Now you all know my Rick loves his gnome, so I thought, and last day, I've got till the 1st of January to finish it, to enter it for grand prizes. And so yeah, so I'm really looking forward to taking part in this. I do believe he's called, the gnome is Mr. Knightley with a G. And yeah, so I'm quite looking forward. This is knitted, I hasten to add, so it's going to be interesting because I've not done any knitted amigurumis before, so that will be interesting. And I got the yarn from Giddy Yarns, and these are the colours that I picked for my gnome. And yeah, so yeah, and I've got my little gnome needle stoppers from Giddy Yarn, so I bought them as well. So my bag is all ready. I've got my DPNs and everything all ready. I'm waiting to go, guys. I'm so excited, I can't even tell you how excited I am. So that is project number 2. The 24th of Christmas Eve, Bet Wixmas. Every year Black Sheep Wools do a knit along, and this year is no different, and we will be making the cowl with the fingerless gloves. And the colours that I've chosen are, I've chosen these colours. So this is Sokya. You know I love Sokye, and that will go with that one, and then that will blend with that one. So yeah, so I'm really excited. So that's Sokye, and this is Obsidian, Superwash Merino and Nylon, and this is Kid Silk, which is mohair and silk. In the colour, I don't think it's got a colour. Has it got a colour? No, it's not got a colour. 70% mohair, 20% silk, and then this, which the number in this one is 674, and then this one is 00590, and this one is called Quartz. So I'm really excited to have a go of that. It's colour work, so that'll set me up nicely for the colour work challenge that I've got next year. So I'm really excited for that. So that's my Christmas Eve knitting sorted. And the other one is Stephen West's. Now, if you just bear with me, I just need to go and get the bag because I've got the wrong bag that I put it in. So just bear with. And this is in my gnome is in my small Sheila bag. Harry Potter, love Harry Potter. And then this is in my Mary bag made by our June. And we're going to be doing the glittering snowscape. Try saying that when you've had a drink, guys. Try saying that. So that is that. And the colours I've picked, now don't be shocked. So the colours I have picked, so you go dark to light. So I have picked botanical yarn in the grey. It says Cotyledon undulata, and then this is botanical yarn, and then lavender moonbeam. That's 2. My third colour is going to be this one, which is, I think, this is by Under an English Sky, Love Her Yarn. Boating on Loch Ness, again superwash and nylon. And I think, and then the next colour is from Frankie Gary Fibres, and this is called Sangria. And then the last one is by Earth Yarns, and this is called, oh, this hasn't got a colour name, and this is this one. So they're my colours. I've just got to hang them up now, or do what I need to do with them. So there are my 6 projects that I'm going to be working on this this December. So I'm really, really excited. Cannot wait to make a start. So I've got that to hang up, get home, get sorted. So they're my projects, guys. What do you think? Really, really happy I am. Really, really happy. And so I'll be starting on the 1st, and it'll go out late on. They'll be going out. My Vlogmas videos will go out on the day, late at night. Except on Saturday the 2nd. I'll be doing the 2nd and 3rd on the Sunday, because on the Saturday I won't have chance because June and I are at our first Christmas craft fair. So I'm excited. And I finished, yes, I have finished my MCAL, Stephen West Geo Gradient. I crocheted Clue 4. And I've worked really hard on Monday and Tuesday. Monday night I stayed up till midnight. Tuesday night I stayed up till midnight to finish them. I finished it about 10 o'clock on Tuesday, washed it, blocked it, photographed it. I've done a short, all done, all dusted. So yay, they were the only 2. There's that and a pair of socks that I need to get done before the 1st of December. So I've nearly finished the one sock. This is Rick's, which I forgot I had, so that was very naughty of me. So I need to get them finished for Christmas for him. But other than that, guys, that's it. I am so excited for Vlogmas this year, because I didn't do it last year, obviously. Even though I did get an advent, but I didn't do it because, way things were last year. So, but I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm telling you guys, I can't wait. So I hope you all have an awesome day. I hope you do pop out back. Just to let you know, the Vlogmases are not going to be long, drawn out. I'll come on, say hello, and I'll open the advent, and then we'll, so, it won't take kind of all your day up. But guys, thank you all so much for your support this year. I have had a blast, and what's made it even more special this year for me is that our June has joined me. which has been amazing. Love that girl to bits, love her to bits, and I love you all too. So take care everybody, stay safe, and I'll see you all on the 1st of December. Bye for now, be kind, bye.